Hey everybody, I'm making candles today, and I invested in one of these Presto pots, and it's really speeded up my process. I just melt the wax in here, and then this is where I measure. There's my my electronic temperature gauge, and of course that's where I pour and measure, and then I pour it into the pot here, and it has just made everything so much easier and quicker. I use a I don't know, this is like a plastic synthetic spoon, and over here is where I'm warming my jars, and this is where I get my water hot so I can clean out the pouring pitcher. And it's twofold. The heat's on, so the water's hot for me to clean out my pouring pitcher, dump hot water down my drain, and it also warms the jars up. And over here I'm getting ready to pour wax melt. So there we go. Hope it'll make it. Of course, my microwave, everything's in my kitchen, but see, over there's my knives, and I keep my oils right here. I come over here and I measure. This is my little junk tray, but today I'm making Christmas cabin. What else did I make? Making tulip. Starting on my spring fragrances, I'm going to make sweet orange chili pepper, and I made buttered maple syrup. And then these are the little clippies I get at Dollar Tree, and they work just fine. The hole is just in the right spot. I don't know. I think the yellow that we've been seeing flashing is it's trying to adjust color. I don't know. But my wax is almost ready, and I'm almost ready to pour tulip. So I thought you might want to have a look at my my little setup here. Alright, and when I put it on a trivet, it helps it cool a little faster because it's got to cool down before I put it in the jars. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.